Here are some more power word sentences. Be sure to have out your pointy penguin finger. Here we go. I like the, what are you going to write there? Maybe tiger. I like the, let's point to this word. I am a teacher. What could you write there? It is a, what could you write there? It is a penguin. I like my friends. If you need to hear these again, boys and girls, you can rewind this video and listen to the power words again.